Dr. Pooja Tripathi, who is a spokesperson for Congress, Smita Gupta, a senior journalist, as well as Varun Singh, who is a political analyst. Thank you very much, all of you, for joining us. Well, to you, Dr. Pooja Tripathi, you have BJP top leaders who are taking on the Congress as well as Rahul Gandhi outside the parliament. So clearly the saga inside the parliament is has fallen through completely outside as well. BJP accusing Rahul Gandhi of lowering the stature of the position of a leader of opposition. How does the Congress look at this?
I think in his first speech as leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi came out all frontal attack on BJP, be it farmers issue, be it Agniveer issue, be it NEET issue, be it the railway accidents, be it, any, you name it, any misgovernance, Rahul Gandhi was frontally attacking. And, the what do you say, the nervousness of BJP's top leadership says Narendra Modi ji has got rid of his protective cover. He had to stand up 2 times. Rajnath ji stood up 2 times. Amit Shah ji stood up 3 times to interrupt history, even going up to the extent of asking Om Birla to, expunge his speech. I think that's what, he completely exposed Bharatiya Janata Party's misgovernance, is completely exposed Bharatiya Janata Party is using religion as a tool to mask off all the misgovernance that's going on in the country. I think that's the Rahul Gandhi. When he says Daro Mat, when Congress has imbibed Daro Mat, when he brought in Shiv Ji's Abhay Mudra, when he brought in Guru Nanak Ji's Abhay Mudra, and that's where when he says Daro Mat, he is not only Daro Mat, he is signifying the whole of youth is asking when will you have a discussion on NEET. The farmers are asking when you will have a discussion on the MSPs.
Okay.
Agniveers are asking when will you have a discussion on the future of the country. I think that's the nervousness, that's the rattlement that he gave them to you, and is justified. So their 400 par bubble is quite burst. They could not reach up to the simple majority on their own, and now they'll have to answer. Now they'll have to be accountable not to only to the constitution, to the people of country, and to the pressing issues that's coming as soon as the parliament opens up the session.
Aris Patania, you've heard Dr. Pooja Tripathi speak. Is BJP nervous? The 2 times BJP was leading the government at the center, you never had a leader of the opposition, and now you have a leader of opposition. Why is I'm hearing, you could confirm if this is wrong or right. I believe BJP is demanding for certain excerpts of Rahul Gandhi's speeches to be expunged. Why would that be? He's been saying this all through, even during the campaign. What happened that you want parts of his speech to be expunged?
Disturbing, disgusting, and denigrating it. I fail to understand what hatred and what rancor Rahul Gandhi and his own Congress company they have towards Sanatan and Hindu. Hindus are haters. They are a threat to peace. My God, what a boisterous and blasphemous comment from the floor of the parliament. I remember one Rahul Gandhi who delivered a valedictory keynote address while releasing the book, The Dalit Truth. I heard him with that pose of Shiva. I heard him while putting out his hatred with regard to the Shakti remark during the dust and the din of the electioneering also. So they didn't do it. They didn't make it. They didn't attend the. They made certain virulent comments against Hindu seers, Hindu gods and goddesses. That's another part. But now, as LOP, his first time he made a speech, and this is the biggest insult to Hinduism, to Sanatan, and towards the basic Mr. Rahul
What
Gandhi.
is the insult? Hey, Aris Patania, what is BJP calling an insult in this?
What did he say?
What is the insult?
What did he say? What did he say on the floor of the parliament?
Can you...
What did he say? I don't want to repeat it. I don't. And once again, give it a second
No,
voice.
please do. It's on record right now. It's not been expunged. Please do. He's a leader of the opposition. I mean, I want to know, what did he say according to you that was an insult to the people of India?
Not the people of India, towards the Sanatan. I'll quote them ditto. What he said on the floor of the parliament, I'll quote it as a ditto with regard to it. He said that the Hindu to what the Prime Minister objected, and and Amit Shah ji also demanded an apology, unconditional apology for him. He simply, what he said, all our great men spoke about non-violence, all about terrorists, and all those Hindus, they love violence, they love hatred. They
Okay,
love
can we just play out that bite
what-
very quickly? Can
what
we
is it?
play out that Rahul Gandhi's bite on air? Before I go to our other two panelists as well, can we just play out that Rahul Gandhi's bite?
मोदी जी ने अपने भाषण में एक दिन कहा कि हिंदुस्तान ने किसी पर आक्रमण नहीं किया। उसका कारण है क्योंकि ये देश अहिंसा का देश है, ये देश डर का देश नहीं है। तो हमारे सारे के सारे महापुरुषों ने अहिंसा की बात की, डर मिटाने की बात की। डरो मत, डराओ मत। और जो लोग अपने आप को हिंदू कहते हैं वो 24 घंटा हिंसा हिंसा हिंसा, नफरत नफरत नफरत, असत्य सत्य असत्य। बीजेपी 24 घंटा नफरत हिंसा, नफरत हिंसा, नफरत हिंसा। स्पीकर सर, कहां कहां तक इन्होंने डर फैला दिया है? आप बात समझिए, आप बात समझिए। ये इसलिए चिल्ला रहे हैं क्योंकि